guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to get ready with me for Diwali party. So if you're interested to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. And if you like what you see so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. First off, I'll take the Malio primer, and definitely I took a lot of it, and I'll apply this primer mainly focusing around the center of my face, and then I will go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution foundation stick. And this foundation is very good, gives a very good coverage and also gives a very nice glow. So I'll apply this foundation all over my face. I'll blend it using a buffing brush. For concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm just applying it around under my eyes, bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, and just blending it with a small beauty blender. Now taking the M&M Luxury powder, I'll set all my face, focusing on my under eyes wherever I applied the concealer basically, and then whatever is left in the brush, I'll apply it all over my face. Now I'll take the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors palette. This is a very nice palette. First I'll take a very light brown shade which is like closer to my skin tone, and now I'll just gradually take darker shades starting from light brown, then deeper brown, and then lastly a black shade, and I'll focus from crease and drag it to the front of my eyelid and blend it with a clean blending brush. Now I'll just highlight my brow bones with a white shimmery shade and also my inner corners. Then I'll take the plum kajal in the black shade and just apply it in my waterline. Then I'll just take a smudge brush and smudge the kajal and make a wing from the bottom of my waterline and drag it upwards. Now I'll just do my brows with the Wet n Wild brow kit. Now I'll take the Elegol Glam palette and use the contour shade and just contour my cheekbones, my forehead and my jawline. Taking the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. This is a very gorgeous highlighter. I'll just highlight the usual places. Now I'll take the Lash Sensational mascara and apply it in my bottom and my lower lashes. Taking a pink lip liner, I'll just line my lips and also fill them in. And lastly, I'll take the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Fushcia. And that's about it. That's the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed this look. And happy Diwali to you all. If you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me and also follow me in my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you all so much. Don't forget to spread happiness and be loved. Love you. Bye bye. See you super soon.